Since the 1980s, astronomers have known about a mysterious class of objects that they call ultraluminous X-ray sources, or ULXs. They named them this because these objects give off more X-ray light than most other binary systems, where black holes or neutron stars are in orbit around a normal companion star. Recently, scientists using NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and optical telescopes spotted a ULX in the spiral galaxy M83 that was acting even more strangely. This ULX increased its output in X-rays by 3,000 times over the course of several years. Using clues found in the X-ray and optical data, researchers think this ULX may be a member of a population of black holes that up until now was suspected to exist but had not been confirmed. These black holes, which are the smaller stellar mass black holes, are older and more volatile than previously thought.